Ever looked at your to-do list and felt more stressed than productive? If the answer is yes, don't worry, there are many who feel the same. In today's video, we are diving into the psychology behind goal setting and how understanding it can help us to manage our to-do list better. Let us turn that list from a source of stress to a tool for success. Before we proceed, if you find value in conversations like this that explores life changes, growth, and everyday insights, go ahead and hit the subscriber button. It is a simple way to stay connected and keep growing together. Why do lists or to-do lists matter? To-do lists are not just productivity tools. They are psychological powerhouses. Every time you tick off a task in your to-do list, your brain gets a hit of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. That's why lists can be so satisfying. At the same time, they can be also highly stressful and overwhelming if not used wisely. Now, let us explore the benefits of having a to-do list. We can talk about multiple benefits, but today I would like to talk about 4 main benefits. Number 1, lists reduce cognitive overload. Our brain has limited working memory. When we try to remember everything that we need to do, it creates mental strain. Writing the task down offloads the burden of remembering everything and frees up mental space that will help us for focus as well as to approach tasks with creativity. Second, lists provide structure and reduce the decision fatigue. Structure is about creating order and clarity. So, lists are very helpful in turning a mentally chaotic jumble into a clear and straight form. Decision fatigue happens when our brain gets tired from making too many choices. When we write a list, we have already made decisions about what matters. This reduces the need to constantly evaluate and reduce the stress on brain. Third, lists gives us a sense of progress and control. Lists transform abstract intentions into visible, actionable steps. When tasks are swirling in our head, they feel bigger than they actually are. Writing them down breaks them into manageable parts and makes the workload feel more doable. Fourth, lists empower our decision-making capacity. Lists help us to choose what to tackle and when to tackle them, and make us feel more in charge of our day or the list of activities that we need to do. There are a lot of tools that is available today which can be very helpful. If you are a digital native or a paper pen person, right tools can make you a huge difference. Here are a few that can help us stay organized and motivated. Number 1, Todoist. Todoist is a digital task manager favored for its minimalist interface, clean design, and easy task entry system. It offers features such as recurring task, quick add, priority labels, and integrations with calendars and productivity apps, making it a reliable tool for everyday personal and professional task lists. The second one that I would talk about is Notion. Notion stands out as an all-in-one productivity workspace, allowing users to create notes, track goals, and manage tasks. It also helps us to organize complex knowledge bases, and it customizes databases and page templates to support both individual and team collaboration. It is best for people who want to integrate notes, lists, project tracking all in one single platform. The third one which I would like to talk about is Trello. Trello is a visual project management app using boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks. It is very good in collaborative environments where workflows and progress need to be tracked visually. Trello is highly flexible, integrating with various apps, and is suitable for project planning across diverse teams. The fourth one is the most popular and used by older generation, which I call it as bullet journaling. It is a mindful analog system using a physical notebook. It emphasizes intentional living by combining rapid logging, daily reflection, and flexible design. It reduces digital overload and fosters greater focus. It appeals to those seeking a tactile, comfortable approach to planning without relying on devices. Now, let us look at some of the psychological principles that is behind goal setting or doing to-do lists. In this, the first thing that we need to understand is finding the why. Finding why is important in managing a to-do list because it provides purpose, motivation, and clarity. These things are very essential for task prioritization and sustained commitment. Knowing why tasks matter helps us to focus, improves decision making, and drives persistence, especially we face with challenges. Essentially, discovering why transforms a to-do list from a simple task list into a meaningful framework aligned with our values and goals, increasing productivity and fulfillment. The second principle that I would like to talk about is purpose and motivation. Finding why offers motivation by connecting daily tasks to deeper personal or professional goals. This helps prevent aimless activity and keeps us driven to complete tasks that truly matter, even when our motivation is down. It serves as a compass that orients task selection and prioritization in alignment with what is important for us as people. The third principle is clarity and focus. When our why is clear, it simplifies decision making. It helps us to decide what to put on our to-do list and which ones to prioritize. This clarity reduces mental clutter by helping us to focus on fewer and more impactful tasks instead of a scattered, lengthy list. It promotes intentional action rather than just busy work. Finally, resilience and fulfillment. Knowing our purpose behind every task helps us to stay committed, especially during difficult times. This also helps us to increase our resilience and reduce stress. It brings a sense of fulfillment as our tasks contribute to a broader, meaningful goals, not just daily routine tasks. This helps us to make task management feel rewarding as well as purpose driven. Your to-do list doesn't have to be a burden. With the right mindset, tools, and a clear sense of purpose, it can become a roadmap for success. So, next time you feel overwhelmed, remember it is not just about ticking boxes, it's about moving forward with intention. If you need support in finding your why or clarifying your why, please do not hesitate to reach out. You can reach us via email or WhatsApp. Our email address and WhatsApp numbers are given in the description of this video. Thank you for staying with us.